You have one chance to make a strong first impression, but with a lifestyle as busy as yours, it can be difficult to make time to clean your home the way that you like it. Hi, I'm Matthew from Riccar, and I'm here to tell you that the Riccar Spirit Plus upright vacuum was designed with you in mind. The Spirit Plus will make your house spotless with little time. Boasting an auto-adjust nozzle and LED headlights, it helps you meticulously clean your rugs and carpets. And its bare floor tool loads a washable microfiber pad, leaving your bare floors spotless. You can even clean your curtains or your fans. And with its HEPA media filtration, you can be confident your home will be free from dirt and odors when you're all done. Don't take my word for it. Head over to your local Riccar retailer to try the Riccar Spirit Plus vacuum for yourself.